Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this product here. So it comes with a couple little gloves and installation. This is a little sconce like reading light. There's a nice little cover there. How do I take that off of there? Interesting. How do we take that off of there? I don't know, not sure if that comes off of there. I will be doing an install video here, or this is the install video. I will be installing this if I can get this plastic off of here. Perhaps some scissors would be, oh wait, I think I figured it out maybe. No, I don't know. Yeah, I'll get some scissors. This looks complicated. All right. I cut the plastic here, and that seemed to help a little bit, but still, not even sure how this goes on there. Oh, it's hot under there. They seem to have like wrapped it around a bunch of times. There, finally. It's a cool little lampshade though. Okay. And then what we have is this portion here. All right, so it's kind of like a little, it's got a USB charging port down here. This little arm comes out and you can put your light there. Turn this on, and it seems to be probably dimmable, and just plug that in. So just go install this real quick, my friends, show you what it looks like. And yeah. Okay, friends, let's install this light real quick here. So first thing I want to do is just take these screws out of the side. There's one. Then we can mount this plate. There's two. All right. So I believe you could actually, if you had an outlet, you could plug this into an outlet as well. Or, I mean, you could actually hardwire this. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this. Let's see, we got this right here. Probably right about here is a good height, I think. Okay, so if I was going to actually leave this here, I'd put a couple screws in there. And now we just want to situate this so it is level on here. Probably the easiest way be to get my screw on there first, since this is magnetized, and simply just come in here from the side. All right, and it doesn't have to be anything crazy tight, since we're just kind of want to line up these holes first, make sure we're all good. Right, there's that. Easy enough. Here is the lamp portion. We just take that off, and we can put our lamp shade right on there. That actually looks really cute. Just tighten that on there. All right, and just plug this in. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. That's already off, okay. Here we go, I'll just plug it in right down here. Tucked out of the way. Got to go find a light bulb real quick. Well, we are friends. So this is clearly adjustable to however you want this to be. So that's kind of cool. You can tuck it out of the way if you want right here or over to the side. So there's a bunch of different ways this goes. And that's really nice. All right, and this can make this lighter or dimmer based on maybe you want a little reading light or something, or you just want it for like a little night light here. You can make it super dim. Also features a nice little plug-in right here and a USB charger right there in the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I think it looks kind of elegant. If you had like matching ones on the side there, it looks very kind of warm and inviting. Let's get kind of a panoramic or a little bit different view here. Okay, so as we can see, it's just kind of cozy looking right around the bed there and looks really kind of nice. So if you're looking for a little lamp here, this is a pretty good looking little guy. Works, it's efficient and kind of like a modern slash old-timey style. I don't know. I like the little lampshade. It doesn't allow the light to like blind your eyes or whatever, which is pretty nice. And then the plug-in and the USB port there are nice extras to have next to your bed, or if you want to charge your phone or whatever. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.